End up on one broom. The matic name golden spoon. Name them food binds up and bulletproof. Came on a rifle me bring pan the cruise. Who making news?
Yo, now hear some things about a big fat ugly blood clot artist here named Chronic Law. The man ugly na bomber clot. And the music where the man a sing appear blood clot, killing and them thing there. But me I hear some disturbing thing about a big fat ugly blood clot boy. Yo, me I come for you. Good day, my wonderful friend. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, Chronic Law, you for start by gun give the youth them. It's a shame and disgrace cause yo, me the thing say, you was a conscious youth you know. But your name not stop ring up in the street. I wanna know how come police not go pick you up. Yo my youth, you do some good tune, you have your talent. Your God gift talent where God give you. But here what, you take your talent and you are by gun give the man them dog. You understand? Chronic Law, you for stop it. I fuck Riado and countryman I tell you that. If you don't know how to pray, me can teach you how to pray. Go down by your knee. Clasp your hand and say, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Make me to lie down in green pastures. Lead me beside the still waters. My youth, only if you change your ways. Yo, you are one young youth, you know. And 1993 you're born, you know. Mr. Campbell. 1993. And you grow up poor, and you come up, and you get money, and everywhere you go, you buy gun give the youth them. Every studio you go, the man them can't work with you. Every studio that fat ugly boy you go, the man them can't work with him. He might bad up the man them. He might disrespect the man them. You understand? Spanish Town same thing. Same thing everywhere him go dog. And then you take money and I buy the youths them gun. Now, why you not keep a treat like popcorn? Why you not do something positive like popcorn my youth? Me hear say the 3 youth them were dead. I'm up here about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And him cause it, cause him a give them gun. Now, cause you don't know a St. Thomas you come from, you know. Youth, a St. Thomas you come from. And the man them run you from out of St. Thomas. You can't even go St. Thomas. Yo, Chronic Law, you for go upon your knees and pray. If you don't know how to pray, me teach you how to pray, my youth. You understand? Go upon your knees and pray. Yo, people, me I show you how that boy is stupid. The man them say the most stupidest youth them ever say. Him a par with Backbush man them. And him a par with Jarrett Lane man them. The 2 set of man them a war. That are out of Mountain View. And him a buy the both side gun. Him a buy Jarrett Lane man them gun. And him a buy Backbush man them gun. The man them say the most stupidest youth them ever say. Everywhere him go and buy gun, the man them disarm him and run him yo. And so, the boy a stay. Chronic Law, stop corrupt the youths them. Show the youth them how to make money. Help the youth them. Stop corrupt the youth them my youth. Listen, him go Bobo Hill. I try corrupt the man them in a St. Thomas and the man them run him. Him go Big Lane. The man them run him. Same thing him a do. Like me said earlier, him a par with Backbush man and Jarrett Lane man and the 2 set of man them a war and him a buy the man them gun. The boy a one pussy. Everywhere that boy a go, him try run the man them place. The man go Salt Spring. Them have to run him out of Salt Spring. Big Lane, Bobo Hill, Bull Bay, you name it. The boy a try run the man them place. Anywhere him go you know. A badness that youth you preach you know. My youth, me listen to your song you know. You have a song what me like you know. Me a play a clip out of it and make on hear it.
Right here, I'm a devil like seat. Yeah, me want my life change every time I try to do it.
My youth, me think you did conscious. But when me hear where you are going with Jano, me lose half of you. Do something positive. Yo, build your family life dog. Look on popcorn. The man set up him construction company. But where you are though, you are corrupt the youth them. Everywhere you go, you try run the man them place. Now, one of the biggest thing with me see with you know, are the youth here. I want to look on that picture. When you see that picture there, bigger crime. I him a buy bigger crime gun and set bigger crime on the man them him turn the whole crew of man them against them one another. And him did a support bigger crime, buy bigger crime gun, and I give the man to kill off the people them in a them community, dog. That same boy a chronicler. My youth, go up on your knees and pray, dog. Me teach you how to pray. Let me read a Psalms to you. My youth, may I read a Psalms to you. Psalms 27. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked, even mine enemies and my foe come up on me to eat my flesh, they stumble and they fall. Though a host should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise against me, in this I will be confident, my youth. Put on the gun, put on the badness. Everywhere you go itch up where badness there. Him a par with 2 set of man. Him there a Salt Spring, him there Yasso, him there a Catburn Pen, him there a Maxfield, him there a TG. Anywhere badness there, that ugly boy are there. Don't tell you no, God give you a gift in my youth. And you take it and you do pure fuckery. You understand? You go around and I do pure fuckery with your gift. Yo, me used to like that youth and music, you know. And when me hear what I do, cause enough man a page me, you know. And I say, countryman, chronicler. And I that the man them I say, so hear what, me roll out for you, my youth. Me a watch you, you know. And remember, me tell you, me dip on your case, you know, chronicler. Me dip on your case. Now, with bigger crime, me I say, Jano, the man them say bigger crime, I do this, I do that. And me now hear and see certain things. But when me take a stop, are you the behind bigger crime? I buy him gun and bleaching cream. Sir P show us when bigger crime get killer bleaching cream. Them have all of you them obsessed on blood clot bleaching cream. My youth, shame upon you know. Shame upon you know. You should have take your money and I do something good for Jamaica and the youths them. You grow up poor, you understand? You still a young youth, you understand? Your music take off. My youth them help you. When your name Squash, them youth they should have all give them youth the gratitude, my youth. But the man them have to run you from over Salt Spring. Cause you coming at the man them territory and want to take it over. You understand? Everywhere you go, you want to take over the man them place. And that now work. Yo, countryman dip on your case, you know, my lord. And me I tell you, chronic law, put on the bomb buckler, gun them. Stop by the youth them gun. Me I tell you, me I warn you, you know. Chronic law, me I warn you. Alright? Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Shotty Mark, you think me done with you? Shotty Mark, me not done with you, you know. Me here say you know come back round say you know. And that want you to do. Stay off of the block and turn yourself in to TG man them, Titty man them, or turn yourself into the Jamaican police. Stand up like a man and face your judgment. Yo, me want to say something else to Chronicler. Chronicler, you gonna end up like Vibes Cartel. Remember me tell you that. You gonna end up like Vibes Cartel. I'm out.